what's happening is that Fox Sports, having 4 high-definition channels, they need to transport this high-definition material from the sports stadiums into Sydney where they're doing the production. And taking high definition of a satellite requires a fair amount of bandwidth, and bandwidth of a satellite is expensive.
Yes.
So they decided they wanted to build their own IP network connecting the 15 most used stadiums in Australia, connecting them back to Sydney. So what they're doing is they are using our JPEG 2000 solution, sitting in Sydney as receivers, and then they have a carry case that goes out with a production bus, which has IP switch and our JPEG 2000 gateway.
Okay.
So at the sports arena, they will connect the fiber connection they have there to this IP switch, and then they will connect the camera to our gateway, which then will compress the video and wrap it into IP, and it's sent off to Sydney. So that's what they're doing.
Okay. And what's at the Sydney end?
At the Sydney end, you have receivers which then will pull it into the studio, where they're then putting together different feeds and making programs out of that before it's being sent out on air.
So they, I think the last time I was there, they were using Dendo to automate a lot of that contribution side of things.
Yeah. I'm not too sure about what kind of systems they're using after our delivery.
Okay. And is this, how unique is this setup?
Well,
is it a first?
It's actually the first time that I've heard of that you have a sports broadcaster actually building their own IP network. Normally what they would do is rent capacity from others. They've actually taken it all the way out here and having their own network. So they have to manage this own network, but this also gives them more possibilities because they have now a 1 gig connection, 1 gigabit connection. So what they're looking at now they're sending 1 HD feed from each stadium, but with all this bandwidth, they can expand and maybe have 2 or 3 camera positions being set over the same connection. So that gives more possibilities of selection back in Sydney of what feed we should use.
And it would mostly be used. How much live use would you?
No, this is going only live, so that means they're using it during the weekend.
Okay.
And then it's switched off.
Right. Okay.
And then next weekend they power it up and they start.